Imagine walking through the hottest desert on Earth, endless sand stretching in every direction. No farms, no trees, no life. And then you see it, a tree in the middle of the Sahara Desert. But something is wrong. The apples on it are not round, they are perfectly square. At first you think it's a joke, a Photoshop trick, a simulation. But when the cameras zoom in, you realize something even more shocking. This isn't just possible, it might be the future of farming. Welcome back to Sand Miracle, where we explore the most unbelievable ideas in futuristic agriculture. Today's question sounds impossible. Can scientists and engineers actually grow square-shaped apples in one of the harshest environments on Earth, the Sahara Desert? And more importantly, why would they even try? Stay with me, because what happens next challenges everything we know about food, farming, and design itself. The Sahara Desert is brutal. Temperatures can exceed 50 degrees Celsius. Rain is rare. Soil is dry, loose, and nutrient poor. And strong winds constantly reshape the land. Traditional apple trees need cool climates, stable soil, and consistent water supply. So growing apples here, let alone shaping them, sounds completely impossible. But modern agricultural experiments are beginning to push boundaries once thought unbreakable. Not by changing nature, but by controlling microenvironments. The idea starts with a simple concept: shape control through growth restriction. As apples grow, they naturally form round shapes. But if you place them inside a rigid, transparent mold, something strange happens. They adapt. They conform to the shape around them. Now imagine combining that idea with futuristic desert farming systems. Solar-powered irrigation delivers precise water amounts. Climate-controlled microdomes protect each tree. Sensors monitor temperature, humidity, and growth speed in real time. Artificial intelligence adjusts every environmental factor, down to the exact millimeter. Inside these controlled environments, apples begin to grow in structured forms. Not random, not natural, but engineered. At first, the fruit looks normal. Small green apples form on branches. Farmers monitor growth carefully. Then transparent molds are placed around developing apples. Inside these molds, growth continues. Slowly, the fruit begins to take shape. Edges form, curves flatten, corners appear. And then it happens. Perfectly structured square apples begin to emerge. The trees in the desert look like something from another world. Rows of geometric fruit hanging in golden sunlight against endless sand dunes. When harvest day arrives, the scale shocks everyone. The square apples are heavier than expected, denser, more uniform, easier to stack and transport. Workers carefully remove them from molds, placing them into crates designed for perfect storage efficiency. No wasted space, no rolling, no bruising, just perfect geometric fruit. Drone cameras capture everything, and within hours, the images spread worldwide. Millions of people react instantly. Some call it genius, others call it unnatural, but nobody ignores it. This isn't just about shape, it's about solving real problems. Square fruit could mean easier transportation, less food waste, more efficient storage, better distribution in areas with limited resources. In extreme environments like deserts, efficiency is everything. Even small improvements can change entire food systems. And that's why experiments like this are being explored, not just for apples, but for tomatoes, melons, and even grains. So, are square apples in the Sahara Desert real? Right now, they remain a futuristic concept, a glimpse into what agriculture might become when technology and nature fully merge. But one thing is certain. The future of farming will not look like the past. If you enjoyed this journey into extreme agriculture, hit like, subscribe to Sand Miracle, and turn on notifications. Because next time, we're exploring something even more unbelievable. Shock. They grew crystal tomatoes in the Sahara Desert. The results look unreal. And trust me, you won't believe what happens next.